thì hello bro di Pak JK okay thì minta insof no ikli janga junior cooperative officer kabelang men kani menni daftarik pada pelang dak MPSC di kejiglim ni kongri. The National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme was named after A. Rajiv Gandhi, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Kemudian National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme kadai ketika scheme ispat singi oke kadai ketika scheme yang singi ka job card oke ispat singi tiga kurikan saran ni kadai Mahatma Gandhi oke ki oro ini daka MGNREGS Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. The next paging clear sebenarnya when was the cooperative movement launched in India? Menu ka cooperative movement la launch in India. Kemudian saran ni dari ka kena pasau. Desan para which of the is popular as a plastic currency? A. ATM card, B. Currency, C. Check, D. Draft mode. Kaya na gini lapau kumka bisa plastik. Kakorikan saran kadai ketuka card ATM jompi. Tibi kakak ATM tak tahu tak long tak tahu tak ketu balak kalau plastik mu ketu ke plastik kidai ka polyvinyl chloride okay. The next Sampondai the Indian National Congress passed Quit India resolution ada A. Wardah Session 1942, B. Bombay Session 1934, C. Tripoli Session 1939, D. Ramgarh Session 1940. T. Hani kakorikan sa de Wardah Session 1942. Di Quit India Resolution kadai kata sedang ada Quit India Movement. Kemudian orang kiparing mo bakin kini kiparing ke pilat bakin pet dari India jengi. Bani India na ya kal kajangka ri ka lai de pen usnem dia lai lo jauh usnem kat kendai sao panyo okay thì usnem bujan tam na pregini option dai uni ka kendai swa de ko kan sa dai kini wada session 1942 de ha kani ka session baka Indian National Congress kapas ya Quit India Resolution jikali bandar po who call Subhash Chandra Bose as Desh Nayak mon bo khodi Subhash Chandra Bose dau Desh Nayak E. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Di correct answer ni day Rabindranath Tagore, okay? Rabindranath Tagore ko yung Subhash Chandra Bose daw Desh na ya. Piti Mahatma Gandhi pat ukod ya ni Subhash Chandra Bose daw Patriot of Patriots. Patriot yang Patriot mah. Piti ketuka yung Mahatma Gandhi ngisit yung Father of Nation. Piti ba ukod yo? Kan keteng laai daw di Subhash Chandra Bose Father of Nation mah Father of Nation kemudian laai daw Subhash Chandra Bose yau ni Mahatma Gandhi mah okay kejengli ke ba drop away but okay. The most important source of our information on ancient India's cultural history are kemudian ka sources ka kamba kabangiya mo namta kani ka cultural history jang kari India jengi kajing tip ke paka kabangi la tip japang ka ne ka cultural history jang ka India jengi kare limba kene ka literature but ka epics okay literature kilang kum ki to ki Vedic ki Upanishad okay ki epics but kum ki to ki Mahabharata Ramayana okay Ramayana Mahabharata, okay? Ini dapat ke Vedic, Vedas, not Vedic, Vedas, and itu Upanishads, okay? Upanishads. Tina kini Yesus bangi tip siapang kan ka cultural history jang ka region. Drop R. In his inscription, Ashoka call himself, kemudian aka inscription jang Ashoka, udah wasi Ashoka mah, kod ilde kuno. Kalau macam day nomor E Devanam Priya Priyadarshi King kemudian kalau dia dah Devanam Priya Priyadarshi okay 63 Vaishnavism was not one of the ruling dynasties of South India in the Sangam age kemudian kaya dapat kini dinasti Kim de hakapor yang kasangam ich. Chola, B Chera, C Pandya, D Palava. Kemudian ansar kadai Palava. Palavaro. Kasangam kadai kisah India mo ke Palavaro. Kesenjara kisah India tama. Kini yang kasangam kini kesenjara. Nadu Lai Century busy. Lai Century idi. Kani dapat kepala ka kam slam kani de ano domino mo kani kasdan adu san nyau po san idi. Okay, but could adu parts pa kani idi. How much time it took for the Constituent Assembly to finalize the constitution kuman kan upar kasimya ka Constituent Assembly pan pendep penrenti ya kani ka retisan jong kari India jong ka constitution kadi 2 year 11 month 18 days kuman 2 years 11 months and 18 days. Okay, option number A. The 65. Actually 100%. The constitution should give India dominant status was a proposal in the A. Cabinet Mission Plan, B. Cripps Mission, C. Mountain Plan, D. Simon Commission. Yang baka kini kayak kini commission kini jang British mo kini jang British. Kini ka ansar korek ansar kadai Cripps Commission. Ka Mountbatten Plan ka ang ya ka partition ka ba NPA yang India ke atlima ke India bat ka Pakistan. Okay, Kasaman Commission bat ka ban review ya ka Government of India Act 1919. Okay, 1919 ka Cabinet Mission Plan bat ka ang ban ai ya ka India jingi ini lut ya ka constitution bat ka interim government. Okay, interim government di kakak ansar ka constitution ka ang ban yang ini ada ka dominant status kuman ya kan ka plan la proposal ka Cripps Mission kuman dominant status kuman pandang siya ka British kuman kini sate ya British. Okay, 66. The instrument which measures the intensity of solar radiation is called A. Barometer, B. Energy meter, C. Solar meter, C. D. Speedometer. D. Kum na kani ka cigli pi the watt solar. Okay, sistem dan solar ini option dan solar meter. Okay, barometer measure ya ka atmospheric pressure. Okay, energy meter pada itu meter light hayang jung itu ubah tahu ya gimana gambar ding meter light. Speedometer pada day tahu ya kejing ya state yang kali jung. Okay, ka speed yang kali jung speed vehicle. Okay, thì cái chính lý ban đập nhóm kamahi bet kaya nam kadika benta jang ka Union Territory jang no Dadra Nagar Haveli Andaman Diu B Chandigarh C Lakshadweep D Puducherry. Di ka correct answer kade Puducherry mo kumut kamahi bet kaya nam kadika benta jang ka Puducherry Union Territory. Okay, andra pra India's first marine national park is located in the kumut kapak Marine National Park meningkong jang India kadan haka hai kemudian A yang Gulf of Kutch, B of Bengal, C Indian Ocean, D Gulf of Khambat. Kemudian ansar Gulf of Kutch. Di boy sa kajang le ka ba dropondai. Which mountain is known as the roof of the wall? Kemudian ulo mayo wall. Kodi udah roof of the wall. Answer A Andes, B Himalaya, C Karakoram, D Pamir. The correct answer is Pamir. Okay, Andes udah longest mountain range. Okay, longest mountain range udah pada udah highest udah Andes longest mountain range udah the highest mountain range. Ini share one exam. Okay, kalau korang pada udah mountain range ubah dan Mount Kitu. Okay, Mount Kitu udah second highest peak in the world. Okay, meningkong dari Mount Everest. Okay, Nyopo, emu bird is found in the country of A. New Zealand, B. Japan, C. Australia, D. Thailand. Kemudian kini kasim emu kimla ban hair begini. Kemudian kini kidan hakari ayu, kidan tangari ayu. Ini kong New Zealand, B. Japan, C. Australia, D. Thailand. Kalikan sadai Australia. New Zealand kidan kasim kebadan tahan ima kata kasim kadai kiwi. Okay. Iklimnya tetraethyl lead is used as A. Painkiller, B. Fire extinguisher, C. Mosquito repellent, D. Petrol additive. Kemudian ya tetraethyl lead 8 gram. Nomor D. Petrol additive. Fire extinguisher pitip dan gas ayo tuh. Itu dan gas carbon dioxide. Oke. Nyupu R. Initial fluid activities is silicon carbide use. Kemudian silicon carbide 8 gram. Aki dan kam. Aki kam. A. Making cement and glass. B. Disinfecting water of pond. C. Cutting very hard substances. D. Making cars for statues. Kemudian 8 gram bon odd. Aki tiar kiba mo. Galvanized iron sheet have a coating of galvanized ikon ini ka iron sheets kibala galvanized kidan ya coating jong A. Lead, B. Chromium, C. Zinc, D. Tin. Correct answer day zinc. Okay. Yang lebih nyawa sao ya ka Drona Acharya Award la ayan mo A. Kiong sportsman, B. Coaches, C. Umpires, D. Sport editors. Correct answer day coaches. Sportsman ki ay da katuka Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Okay. Nyawasan. Who among the following invented the smallpox vaccine? A. Robert Koch, B. Edward Jenner, C. Robert Hooke, D. Louis Pasteur. Correct answer day O. Edward Jenner. Ini uchemia kaneka dawai smallpox. Robert Hooke kenapa ini the father of cell. Okay. Cell is a basic unit of life. Next, kejigli. Who among the following has been elected as the president of the European Parliament? Menurut penegini, you said presiden juga European Parliament. A. David Sassoli, B. Jan Sahradil, C. Ska Keller, D. Sira Rego. Correct answer day David Sassoli. The Film Division of India has launched a documentary film Club Kshitij, KSHITIJ, in which city? Kini ka Film Division of India ka penmi kini ka documentary film club haka nang ba ayo Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Jaipur. Mumbai. Okay. Debatnya kondai. Which Indian movie won the NEDPAC Award for Best Asian Film at the 23rd Bucheon International Fantastic Film Festival? Film India yo kabay jawab yang kini NEDPAC Award for Best Asian Film. Nengkong Gully Boy, B. Kabir Singh, C. Bharat, D. Support 30. Answer day Gully Boy kabak daw Ranveer Singh. Okay. Itu sepang utu nong roy rapper Divine. Okay. Ini day Divine. Which state government has decided to produce its own seeds under the brand name Sa Beach? Kajalayo kapag mi ki sambay la jang mo kadeng ka Sa Beach. A. Chhattisgarh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer day Madhya Pradesh mo. Okay, te. Thank you.